Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's January 25th, 2024. It's about 45 degrees or so right now, but we're gonna start tapping today. It's not raining right now, so we got everything loaded up and we'll go tap some trees.
That's how our bags just hang there. They're kind of a different bag that we got from this maple syrup supplier. They just clip down over with a hole like that, go down up and over the tap, and we just cut a hole in the side of them just so you can get the sap out. Works pretty good.
That's dripping a lot.
Up into the woods to go tap some more trees.
Looks like the tap hole maybe from a couple years ago. Kind of split the bark funny there. Kind of a weird little hammer, but it works. Last year's again. Only one left. We've already done 25. Did we tap this one last year? I think that's a hair small. That's a hair small yet. We can usually do this one.
How many have you done since you walked over here? Just one?
That tree right behind you has one in it.
Yeah, I hung that one on there.
Okay, I couldn't see that. So yeah, just this one here, then you're keeping up now. What was that?
Got to pop this little cover off there. It just seals it or whatever from the factory. And find your pair of scissors. And just cut a little slice in the top corner. Just it'll come out again.
Simple as that. We'll do this cherry tree. Eight of them right there, quick. Did I do that one on the upper side? I don't think so.
This is my last batch of bags.
So how many's in that? About 25 in there?
Yeah, I would say just about 25 in a roll. I have all the little lids.
Yeah, so we could just count them
So
up.
when we go to throw them away, all we gotta do is just count right here. Just gotta count those little lids because that's every bag we took apart as we go to throw them away, and that'll tell us how many taps we actually put in.
So how many days before you'll have enough to boil?
I'm betting if it stays running like this, we'll be able to boil. Today's Thursday. We'll be able to boil on Saturday. I really think we'll do a run tomorrow, do a run Saturday. And I think that'll be enough to get us started. I think we're done tapping for 2024. We'll count the taps or whatever, so we know how many we actually put in. I'm guessing we got 85, 90 for sure. So, and right here's a kind of a good spot. You can see them all the way through the entire woods here. It's kind of cool. So now it's time to go start cleaning tanks, and the tank that we haul the sap with and the tank we store it with before it goes in the evaporator.
wagon is just a Tractor Supply, one of them little 5x8 trailers, or actually this one's a little bit wider, isn't it?
No, it's just 5x8.
Yeah. But we just got our tank on it, and that's what we're gonna put the the sap in to dump it in our milk tank up there that we use for. If you can see it, the stainless steel up there. That's where we collect all our bulk sap, and we run lines down to run it in to the sugar shed to our evaporator. That's our pan, our maple syrup pan. That's 18 by 4 foot. That's what that pan is. Oh, and we had 93 taps we put in, which is plenty for us. We would have liked to see 100, but just couldn't have that many bags.
It's just a CDL arch. It's just a small evaporator, wood fired. I think we use about 2 face cord of firewood.
Like all evaporators, the door will glow red and the chimney will glow red pretty much the whole time you're running it.